Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pull apart your Ford Ranger key. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new key shell. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing small parts. It's important to remember that your key contains a small transponder chip, which is crucial for your vehicle to start. Handle all components with care to prevent damage during the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the seam running along the edge of your Ford Ranger key. This is where the two halves meet. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. With a careful twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid breaking any plastic tabs inside. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the internal components. Locate the small circuit board and, most importantly, the tiny transponder chip. This chip is essential for your truck to start. Carefully lift out the circuit board, being mindful of any small buttons or contacts. Then, remove the metal key blade from its housing within the old shell. Now, carefully place the circuit board into the new key shell, ensuring it sits correctly. Next, insert the transponder chip into its designated slot. This tiny component is vital for your truck to start. Finally, snap the two halves of the new key shell together firmly. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Test your new key to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.